ye mompae ye Nyankopɔn utumi buru tumi nyina so ye da wase se transisea ye hu sa adum ntra Rode brebi ya de kan se kota ne yan soro ya ye bi obi busa na sam profo bi obati kan wa da kamera mu ye nso mbo nkyere wo mo adum na so ye su bi na ne se trase a na ye wadum ntra ibi bompae ton ibu esira wudi ni bebre na bra wodi abetra studio se ne besira wadi mu andum se wo wura na mo nsa no so be bie ni pani se ni pa wura de sunsubu wo bu de pa wo wura de wadi mo nyam so be daji ni pa do bi nka ono kaka be hu di okọ se eyi ana eye wa ma ni pa nyansa wa ma ni pa bin se ni pa de bi ko na no se nya no bi na kachira no the senses ne kachira no so ni pa bi de ni cheba bi na se nya ni pa no anka no the common sense kachira no eruade be srawo sunsun fam no so bi ye senses dum na ni be bi e koyie no yemfa ho nto so de ye de nyai awon ho kai oruade na mo bro hunu nya kase mai adumere ye tu ye ba nyina sawo nsam the special be bi sunsun ba hi kasam so atre obi ahu de oso ye wasam so obi ba ji Yesu dia onifo ko bi ana no so sunsun sumu wabu ko ni afiri no so to be so brandi pa hawa ya kese ni pa hu ba bi o momfa the special to sabe kani pa ko mama ndania ba wu Yesu nchan ama no mi afiri o makara so e dia hu to so to ado he be kai o do ba Yesu di mu nti amen pa sabe no se Roman fongoma etimu ote se mu bako Romans chapter 8 verse 1 we are saying bonsam empapa we are saying ya de papa bi pa bra bodu mu oba try for be about to faasuna ade de faso be bra wo ade Satan chire no titru de ye ni munyamba oba try for be about to de ama be bra chire nyame asema ya kan eni say enye oba dino e o tamfu bi de yo musa because obi adu se Nyankopon asem wo fa e be boa no ade nti no ntimi mfa obi adu se Nyankopon asem wo de ya dwuma e be boa no ade nti no ntimi mfa ni adu the tamfu bi o pen football the tamfu bi o pen say the tamfu bi o pen ni gbase and the tin so working so ye be ko ba bu mo chere wa de ye bi srawo and na me ko na kase ko no ko ya da de tie sami ko so sunsu ba hin kase bi wo ani bi wo ho e be boa obi po obi anyawo ye ni ye Roma fo mo mati mo fe temu ba ko ene afeku obi ani ho e ma wona o Kristo Yesu ni ye ni ye womo mo Kristo Yesu mu no womo masakira hamatu lesa ntwana mamu no wodi kwaku firim lesa bo ha ka so wodi no wato woni wi asesam womo mo Kristo Yesu mu no afagu obi ani ho ma wo simple tie ye kaso obi tifo a le je se wonya asem ya samni yo ye kaso obi tifo a le je se woni ni panyi bi anya asem we are sick at that boni Nyankopon ni we are sick nya the brave I cast on several occasions actually be passed atasu enka o Nyankopon be tuasa si inagu wa ye we are sick for uko 2 Peter chapter 2 2 Peter chapter 3 2 Peter chapter 3 obetro o Nyankopon be serious wo yo ayi mfofo asem na so ko be jama na ka konse Genesis chapter 3 na asem na so o se Adam uti wadome asase dani come on ho asem tire ni pa mesrem ye se bia ya kasa ne wo boni di no memba boni kuni padi mase boni di ni pa ko bu something boni si ni pa Yesu ba wi as the first thing ati oba ba ye di kai ni so be yi boni afi Yesu ba obra bo mu a the first thing o ye ni so yi boni fi o Yesu oba ma won tema mu aduane o da bi odi kai yi boni fi o mu adwini si yankoko so Yesu o pe heaven akọ esa na odi ye num no aware ye num no sika num no ensira num no ahudie num no bambo num odi akan ho ti ba mo ba Yesu mu no mo nguna di no o tam te ba mo he yankoko ni bi ene tene ne kan mo di campaign no ansa na mo nya se mo tudi afofo bi mo tia ye wo mo pie to ni e dia no ti wo ye sabe ni tia mo nya sansem fo ya sabe yo peja ko kwa hidi ye wa dire sa wo pe heaven ko fa be ho de wo pe de mo wa japa de wo pe de ai ni adu fa be ho wo pe ne mo ya ko wa japa de mra enye yi ya sabe yi asam de ni pani yan ko pontem ya za chapter 1 verse 18 to 20 was a woman of the Yasam. Mamma, who tells your mamma, Brian Yasam, Brian, then class and custom. But also through quality no member of force. Maybe I call. You're an officer, near that was simple sound. We are saying, the do the probable woman you don't want to name a bias. How you only be? You are suddenly Mamma, your man for your cup. Do every son. Do a bunch of money. Do a champion. So you see so many about more. Oh, come on, never time. Do a book young. Ha! Do a champion to come back. Do a full na boso nya konfoso ha awurade hu ni pabobo so Yankopon timi amwa na ta konfo na wo nya to so ya wo problem big problem asam ke ni pani Yankopon tum ya Isaiah chapter 1 verse 18 to 20 was the moment of the year asan jabonem Bonemo and forward the cashier said ye Bramian Yasam. We are crawling for bra. What are we not for Bafo for Bramian Yasam? Yes, you never will. Or Bawa Joe couldn't remember so. Bra, for come on, you. Success of the sacra, named Yasam. We are Lisbon. Who called the other day, I will leave the Yaso. Mamma. What's the rule? No, that's what I said. You only need to be a. And yet, the other side. What's the rule? No, because who you sue for body parts, the both let him order because of the Okundonam Sunti. Who confess Corinthians 7 a bread down or Bawara from Muntum. They said it was as a cell for power, but the Sia or Dampans. Ah, we are Christian, very careful. A problem suban and Rakahu, you make him in so you about him out to us. You have good for setting your Yasamun Pens out. Who can't say that? Who calls the baby? The choir of body parts the first. We are Lisbon. Then I'll make the only put the other side on baby and that masturbation. Wouldn't the other tour out for the Suban Mobile? Or just a come. Was a study about Ethiopia, but I mean, yes, for you. Mammy and Papa who came, you secret who could do quite now. When you know, when you quite what I'm so, oh, then you could make a trade that. You are not going to be judged by your husband. Very careful. Papa, and now you're going to what you bet my yes, you ye wo judge bi ye ni hu extra de hu iko be bread ha che say yashi a jibra go na si yonku bi be si na si puna fa so si secret we are saying out there we are simple for no babeto we are saying you say who do you be kwa won ko tepe who do you body ya won ko twaburu so who do you pay won ko tin kuruma so you go na ucha ti sa sam no me sa se young so kuma no ma me le yo ya sabi ma musuba bi aye se obi na eye ni obi na eye me o life ni for ya trufo na wadi say you trouble o se bra me ni asam e ye boni na wadi no ana ma asam abeto ni Yankopon tem Adam and Saseda ni Yankopon one very close na me tem be sraw ubu sa de no de ama afi de obare wo dwane afiri ba bia wo Adam he fa na wo me tre won ka wo tro mo ho na dwane Adam he se be dadeja why catch you was obana o de bere no why catch you se dia bia ba di was obana o de bere no oba ho na sin fa sanka was wo na yes I won you fun so ntu bere bia wo bi na aye nti na ma wo ye bi anu ni Yankopon kire wo place moment o so e ba ni kire si oba so ma ne ka be ma dia sa si we there is a problem of the land Yankopon kesi asase Genesis 3 the 17th hour sema bunti ma tobi asase so we dim so mo niam you will never enter into sin apateni ye ata akumo obi atu wura mafa hodi abaye cho to be say we are free ko Genesis chapter 4 mo yin senyi tugum mo problem not the holy family sabon yin sen sen kolapi na maya bi yin sen mo bu bramo na bu tugu a awurade am to me okay wumi ebe mo janne e da so tie mu su tie bi ka na so mo jana u shiebu ya mo minute ta se mo jana jansu aso na si osunsun na won the cry of the blood of the someone you care someone you adopted what tell me if say when you afa hoji wo big problem Yankopon place curse on the cave was what the mat bi ato so na be bre wo wi ase wo be boss sa asase a wo dua ebe moja hwie gu so moja no asase wo dua so ade eyi nipa bi abra ma boss sa wo so obi na eye no check you super because they would not show what you say nothing who could be about the question kuruma was so that or not just ya something the pop ni Yankopon tem who ko emos Hosea chapter 4 betra Hosea 4 Hosea 4 asamo Daddy Pani be counsel go back to the earth. She can be a mistake in life. Luke chapter 16. Papa ne bre. The nimsa san ko sen ye kwa be wiase bi mu a. Obey the most wisest person in terms of entrance into heaven. Of financial so na unit. A faith of pressure. Or profo do asase so. Take a Lazarus on Sandra. I need Papa, asaba da Yankopon ni wontam no. Woni no, obi yiri na akofa no. E ho asam dawni na bi tam na ba bre papa. Enye wa gire sa wa ko hodi. E de wa yo yito. Oba no ko tubanche, no tima ko. Woni nko la no egusu no madi. Obuti nyame no mo pe no madi aga. Na wono obi Papa, when you are big jump, so what down here no matter fear. It's a diabolic shassia. What number? I saw for so. Yako 1 Peter chapter 3. Was a man, my money, my year one send India, Musa. Obama, the other one, the Metaka, Nipa. Na munyi omuni so mo so yankwa akom na didifo bi. Don't despise your wife. Genesis chapter 2. When you come the head that designing Obama was what the bread Adam. So Obabia you object to the husband. Obabia you check the medical with that castle with power. You want to fight when you come the design what the bread. What time you know the never phone say. Into Adam, who see when I down here. Would you say how no come to work as soon and go for you? Rather be putting so far for the woody. I only a man for time. You probably know. Who can call on? The teach the mamma. Upon Colana on my the banner of bread or banner or swamp block. Or bow and jump is one quite what in Clary. That Beman and Mamma Fossil. Wouldn't say wow, now I'm telling you. You have only one life. That life doesn't belong to you. So you have to be very careful. When you show common sense here, that will protect how she jump. A jump home now was a ceremony because of how you treat your wife. Robin Kayomawati. And you put yourself so, and you said you're paying or anything. Ewo ebeba obesira no so odobeko wodu asema no ho wia wona be wo se asema ye ka ho asem se se dipa di nyankopon ntam asem e ho na betira se sikani na nwi nankwa chi odi no ho so ono aye nkana asem owui no oprobi amene di asema ma oprobi amene di nsa twe ano papa sanka wa no aye wo mframa ene wo nkwa na di ti wiase a obi anka asem. But the fact is, I won't rely on you. What are you to call? Who could that not you will be in the best energy? Who could see one side? I'm asking you one question. What bet you an hour? In the Messiah, you are passing as a Sikania or no Poto Hoya. A friend one whom himself say, I am mistaken. Who could look at 12, verse 16 to 21? Obetra was up as Yamas. Massa, Sikakram when you're Bracomuati. Who be young, and the other way near. That is a bien hole over two, no young. The or no proper national into who be young, you know. Oh, so what Chovia, you have to respect him. You also got a one. Ha, some about that will be our control, Yankupoli. And we are still aside because of the problem human beings have with God. And therefore, a kind of room as a fool said, one more by Jesus Christ, open the for hallelujah. Papa, they can fear more. So to be by Jesus and change. And for you to say, Bible says, there is no condemnation on you. I feel good news, so you are not guilty. We are innocent because of Jesus. Did the power can one say? Hey, I feel be any home man. One now, oh, Christ for you, you depend now. What will tell you every day? Open who will born ya or my year. Nobody will say, I send you some way to be William, what would try? And you won't take what would the take of cool over Busafo? I said, I didn't put on to me in Russell. What is so many of us about the Americans? The Timbere moment in line is your name. A young Kumkai, a young Kumkai, a young Kumkai, John chapter 1, verse 29. And you have Boni 20 years said, when Uncle Paul the Nigayaba, or the issue. When you put on what you say about one year, you put on come up on when you react upon a call only. John the Baptist pointed straight to Jesus and no one else. When in the door was somebody to put to him. Papa only yes or more. Someone sakraya. If a cobble much over the other before the way na packet will be. What is support to acquire a or cage? And the able will be any deal. Now won't be able to and cobre. What me would do also hombre, why a child, why a cassie. Yamago, why a cassie, why a fool, the woman. The portrait farm and the feedy portrait in Cocomo. Or no, I could tell you, Lord, your brand Cocomo, who was sent you as you woman. And to we are Cocomo, who is that portrait cage more. Would you say your God? And so you say, yeah, I want them. I can see my cat be a big job. What does American? Would you ask who saw one told? What about chip on him? Ha! But some want to cage more. What that can be? And woman will be and woman will see cat, and woman will body, and watching Mabreo, and I watch him Mabreo, yes, who was fair, and a member to do a chief, did not only member with that, I did say to Yakota, I did say to Yakota, into what you yes, cat. Or more papa, would the baby or crash? But you will never do that. You are something you would only solve the problem. So we are just being home, but we are home, say, actually, but I am also. A customer, young people say, Papa, or wouldn't it bumble? Would be bold, you will. Oh, rather. The true body, I'm a Casasa because the Nipo did be out, or didn't show your way. I just am not. Yes, you are back purposely for you. What's all open? Bishop and sorry doesn't deep for me. Oh, I'm sorry more. So, you move country. Israel children in the Podemos. I saw Payne, which imply. A man for Payne, there was not a woman who knew. A brother of the is a titles, near the call heaven. Positions, near the call heaven. If I go to Siakoyan, you come at your 7, there's 21 down, yes, you sit down. The trap Koyan shop, let me just someone. A summer tiny coming and coupon table, Momrabi in the Obama. Now, if I tell you what Brennan Juma, my trap Koyan for you, just someone. Ebi beba be kase Yesu e ga odi ansem kom obodi asem na to nche yo boni mo di edanchan ye di nkom sef ye di adi ho prophecy ye di times o mobo asem ta no papa te bun kan afa no ko be nke fu ni akokọ nkwai ta o de command oni se aso ti ni beba ada na umra ho aso papa be sro boni we ni mai yanti ama me no ntamati humobo ambo ne chen wasan be wu ko wasan dia mama me ewu ame ko sen ka be wu odo pe ne chewu Yesu be sro maba e coin maba sro fa chen ni bi mu ate wo so hwe sa was ko me de ho achew sunsun ye ti asemo he sa oba Kristo Yesu mo I'm telling you one thing see ye have the important chaya Yankopon bu bem awon omo ne so bu bem afebu ni ko mawo ti e bo wie nyawo o ti asema me fena awon omo ni bo ho pa enye yi o sunsun da am ta le papa ti asema ka ni yo o so na man to nya ma ni papa so pe ka wo abo ba o mo bo the highest power wo so mpayan the highest power uko Kolose kwa mmanmu a wabewu se Yesu Kristo na ya son no odede mpanyenie ede tumidie nyina ati what as the head of principalities and powers na de papa ho tumi papa ho na nanu ahemfo be srabu tumi gani power no ho ni hudi ntia mo mu bi no ko abosom so ya na namu yo na kuaba bi si hom no bu ko tudu akuaba awurate ha adi mo yama Yankopon dia na so ateke okino ya Yesu dia hiri mo hiri enti Yesu ya hiri mo hiri no na so yo hiri ketwa no o pe power wo ko master ho ahini mu hini no wo sakra do abrabo man wo som wo mfa kuaba ne mo sio se wo nyame wo wa kam aw Rade me smell ya be pompa se da be ni pe be biu sunsun ade papa o highest power ti asami yo me yindi pa sa o be costo ba kotani ade papa o ya ke se ni por prefo wo ba yesu ncha be sakra no asom no de tumi ama wo eje nkuko chawo ya fabriti ni gai bra wonna makoso so to nai ko top kokko esa me puta ni padua ana mo to ade kai bi asiti ama mo bi kore dem mo enku ya ba ni mo je bi asa je kogu ho kan wo ba yesu ncha simple enye dwa ya sema ko fa dwa ma ko fa ponche nye dabo na konfirm sema wo de bone a waye unu se waye bone acha se unu se waye bone ko san 50 waye o se ni amumuyo bi na me na nyi nsem amumuyo bi no wo me tidi pa bi a o wi ase no se nye yesu ntan no aba ko ntwe o do ti ase tidi ni bi ya asafo se wo ni yesu a ko ntwe enti wo mo yesu kristo mu nko ana tele ne wo ba wo and they qualify for heaven you may not believe it but when it comes to na be tete bi ani abre wo eka we be some na kan and you obi aba so body o de bebre o I'm telling you ye dim de o smile the ni pa ni na ti ka sama ya kan I'm telling you you fam na wa wu ti ka so we sakra wa bi se chip let's say I've sakra kai pa let's say and you have been sakra na obi ba so dem obi we ade be sra o kofia no sa for champa chimu ye bia the genuine repentance Bible so would live for yes your boo been free the bayfo bia so e boo been free to some figure to be takao what has na say I'm sure wa bi so mo ye bi asemo se di papia o tebo ni mu no di asem ya ko John chapter 8 elubi ama obaron ko chi ne dwama moso no di asem ni yo o se di poda ko dwama ni wo bu ni mo se mra se so bi ko dwama na o se kuno ade di na o bu ni se wo se kuno na so bi di be pa Yesu nsem o ta se ma kana se Yesu o reference for do obayi by so obayi e chine dwama moso pe ade se be coming to judge the case and Jesus is the judge and you all Yesu ye ken fo kwanyini enkopo da table ni na so nsa tina se wo na konsa ni di wo ha wo na nyanka wo so ha wan sakra wa bi wa asase wo so de papa wunya wudi a wo bregu Yesu paaw e ko ko twan wo asama bo wo hu se wan sakra na de wu a wo be bre papa kire na be kasi na sam ni chiro do ho do wo se wa ye mistake in life say Japan o be say sika o be useless life without Christ oh vanities upon vanities who die but bravo no ndi Yesu popopo bre bia be ko Yesu catch the Judas say Matthew chapter 24 be ta ka wa sam popopo Judas me Yesu me ko say the water for me ho o do be so ya so no so me ade ko debom sa wonyi me ma die no obo ubia o wuachi na be ti die na se wo be bre pop na e ho no taw pa di ho e ja ho na mo ko siesie asem no na kasikani no ene Abraham pese obu siesie asem no ene ma me kwai na me nsuo kakra nom ene ho anwan no ke kansem bi e pese ko obu siesie asem no ma so die ba Abraham se papa kai so wa asase so Lucas empathy do temu don kromba kai so wa asase so no mpa Yesu atira kwayo ji wani na mo maso tuka fi ha wanam krofo so fama jese wonam abrabon jese dia telefo bi ni wiase on so that come ha ahana pension I'm telling you papa I want to come to so one sakra common water they are very expensive Diao be brɛ wo kɛse ni nsuo. Ejam na wo kɔtɔ abe brɛ papa. Hwɛ asɛm ka nipa ne nyame ntam. So die su aba so bi anya ne nkɔ hɔ. Wo pa nkyɛw ɛsrɛ wo bɔne a nkɔyɛ biem. No ha sɛ so that's all. Ɛne wa wie wasɛm di. Te Paul sɛ afabuo bi ani hɔ ma wɔbɔ mu Kristo Yesu. Atonya man nsɛm wonni fɔ. Apapa nsɛm wonni fɔ. Yasɛ bi yo comfort da boy nsɛm wonni fɔ. Ahomɔne ahodoɔ ne nsɛm wonni fɔ. Obi pa obi anyaw. Nipa bi ebewu a yɛde ne kyerɛ Yesu ansa. Si Yesu pɔmewa nsa ne yɛde wakɔ. Bini John chapter 8 and go to church. Ya can ka obesi 11 verse 11. John chapter 8 verse 1 to 11. Ya sami yo. Ba me na ko kwa chaba ya sesa po. Ye di be bona kono. Enso na enso say so bu nse ne kyerɛ sɛ. According to Isaiah 80 horse ya kra yin form. Nti bro nsa bo ni okra. To be kum ni pa bi o ne ko kyerɛ Yesu ansa. Ti secret ni yi. Ti so ade o kyerɛ Yesu. Let Yesu kasa o pariko binino pa na dabu nsam ji emu Yesu kasa o meti oyɛ me dia se tabia ntimi mfa ne sanka ye di asɛm. I'm telling you hwɛ ba me kyerɛ wade bi Ecclesiastes chapter 10 verse 20 ɔsɛnkafo hwɛ mi busa sɛ so obi fan fo nyama ije san fo nyama wa da kuma se me bo good so obi fan fo nyama awa kuma dai ha ebo dia anafia o eye den na mfonya no pete ebekum di pakọ wati asema mi busa na sunsun ye dia sebe wo bo dia ne krasa wa sana wo do akọ spiritual course okokun no wo do ma hu bi ya hu no so tell kra ye dia sam ma me cho ki Jesus papa wo nim ye so obobo okay, asaba me kan say what Jesus Christ adi a obubo obi anya because we live for this abeti wo for you na fa se dia so e no na so twi na ne de ma no nti wasi wanan adi for na now nti we live for you are no longer a guilty person. Osan kafo you are saying etiaduonu chemudu sorry, I'm going to move a tidu to move you. Ecclesiastes chapter 10, verse 20. The proof what it was so much. Obi friend show for obi dia oba bi o. Ta bo obo bia na nto ta ma nyina ho. Na kete anyina ho. Na nsuo na ode bo bia na nyina ho. Eso kanse mu kum framam. Eso hu de be na framam na du. Ba bia nsuo no ho. Nsuo na be kum liba. Ana de ko. Osankafo you are saying a tip. It's a module. It is Solomon kind. Quite and send it fast to Solomon. His answers about 10 verse 20. Was it a nome or him? What do you want to? Now, a nome or before would that be true? Let me say, come, Sarah, can a bit here. Was it a real normal? At the end of the clock, then Takraboa, I can't say. So you see the secret. Papa told me all. Opening should be another who be bold ya. And as a young come and be bold in Tosso. I'm telling you. If you have no money, it's a Taboa, over there, someone of the cock, no matter nasty, I can't say. And Tagraboya put people. And Nasa, a confirmo, Nebugo, Nambron. Takraboan is used to a bonsam, the agents Libya. What do we use for the family in our two? I mentioned Santa Boy, the Mark chapter 4. Else to come once. Woman at the Papa be about Bravo, no my bird trouble. Will be the promise and faith. What do we use? It's our who in another way. Yes, to come once. Mark chapter 4, the verse 3. It's so ready for you when you man watch. What would be a form of power? Yes, you catch the bit as a young woman, we are simple. What I say? What's what the sky a year? A soon years. Now make us out the portrait. The keep for cage. A bit will be a near the moon, Shianum, one bread, one nantembre, until one am not so broom, come and soon in the beer. What I say? The Mark chapter 4, verse 3. was able to check Ogufobi, a Freddy, a Koguaba. Now a basin of boom, a big of boom country, na a real man, a babasus. What I say? Yes, you have the one at your let's get that no physical baby, and a basis for you. A baby knows that improvement and put your body pabra. Put your Buraba for more. If you feel that now you be Yadwaba, if you feel that now you be the answer for Charles said. And the papa be a big put your baby. A toa bravo so pet, no maybe as said. Into a bravo koi, who's a baby for nail, up with your shoes. The answer in American young control. A 7 here, a body pack, a medical tomb for many penny munyam, a body pack of back, and go for some more. And to call the other was a pack, no maybe 2 suman who money the other pack. They said it was a chili buffer, verse 14, Mark 4, verse 14. Was it over 4, a good 7? Said they make him some cherry. Was in a year, anyone now one concern. Fakwa will go at 7. No, yet here. In Temwa, a Satan, a buck, that obey ya 7. I will go a woman. At 7, also a young man, a woman manager how much Satan. The Satan and call for the agents maybe. For what I said no ma, so small, or Munam. If you should go for your body, you go for ye. Who are the papa, a papa to a bravo for pet was him. Young man, some for bravo for pet was him. Says I didn't put your baby what here. And then Ratty Hunaman comes to be for me. What 2 years to Abraham. Then no man about what you. I don't know when you see that one. Now, who quite personal control no matter. Genesis chapter 1. They show how to control them. Verse 26. Was Nyankupo Bonipo in Suba Susan session. So near Pumumpata, as I stood to the boy, any real no. It is a Nyankupo Suban in session before Brapua. Chinio. The Coco Yabrabo, Yamin Yaman, Yamin Yakon for, Yankupo Nitro, Yankupo Yapatase, Yankupo Yaman, Yame or Yabosan, Yankupo Yaripus, Yamo Polygam, or Yamu Yabi, Yame or Yakonfo, Yame will be Yaka, Yami wants to be, Yankupo, any Obi who a Libra said the Libri will be, Yankupo Papa Bones or Yanami, Yamin Yaku, yes, sir, who Subano, a Coco. Was in the Usubas in Yankopo, and you bet make him no as far as our branch, the school to him penal, open punch, web papa. I was a soon getting home my bonus. What you have another? There's no way some improvements make me about brand no way I walk for. Dear, soon sumuno, they may work to tell the power. For one more kiss for you, South will be. They are free. They are free. More be free blessings so Namovia and Yaduma. Our money is to find himself, Mamma. What would you do to me? What has a can I say? Yana is a pest. I don't buy what a Pama Monio, I have Bravo Conco. But they are the other that can say. Some person wants to know Hawa and Nimu. Be a boy. One person wants to the Bedu Hawa. The young man, simple. So see, I have a cousin, I am not joking. Next time I want to be. Now, Mammy and Papa says, Sabri said, Sabbath tonic, I can never who say, Kim, but who wants to some number. Open free will be a bush, open free will fear home. I don't open free will be no home. Who will be free? Our money will be at some once. The bonnet about who will be free, they will come and chase you. What about bread? None of us all come home, I can't catch it. I don't know Papa, crazy, who tell me away and some, the other pumper and sabo. Some person wants to chase you. You don't know as for Jan, who got now who you come and who you come. Some put it be an once in the house. Who will be a bear and once in a way do what you know. Oh, I want to be a chase to be. But so far as so be cool to China, will be in a town time. What is the company so? What will be a castle? What is a trouble? Would you throw another bonny one? The bottom of the tree. Mammy and Papa, who didn't humble some chat. Who got all to far? You will be good to far. Tis a far for them old tip for them. And some proper bones, some bob pine and pound on some. They are telling Abraham, Concord Abraham, Abraham Concord, Who pesa once and be how do huni simple. Awurade ka ka mencha wode bi so wodi bi yesu a ibi wata de ko bi timeti ma afa woke o ja sama kana so o mobo you are prone to demons mencha wode bi bacteria wata de mu sawo ebetima fama wo pretiu asyo hotuma na normal wo ta wa busiem familiar spirit Genesis yembe kan yankopɔ busuam o Abraham asefom Jacob ni Esau ba ko enam ba ko chi Jisha na ba ko tie fom obi busuam ba ko ha ba ko bi bresa bi so de kra de o yeyi mapa oroso tuntum bi koso e wa busuam bi mo nipa ntiase Abraham busuam o Genesis 27 yankoba bu ne ha verse 15 to 19. So what do you use? And Tabium demon if I operating. And we generally so can. So don't do our strength. Yabe your Hussein will be quite ye. Would you say who will transfer from materials? Yes, a banner would get to things said to me, yes, what Tabium was so in a power and transfer for Benny or Banco talk. Elijah say less the mountain is going to come and a transfer of power. And the firm about what does America? Maybe I will call you. I just want to be what? Who will call you? I just want to say you can't be a tabia that help us remember. Here, do I never you? Okay. So Genesis chapter 27, the 15 to 19, it tells secret to be. Wouldn't you show Bobo power? Genesis 27. Afebu we na danso. Aba hu money chesu. Oba bre. Genesis 27. Verse 15 to 19. Was na Rebecca. E fa ne papa ni Esau. Ye ma menche wa de bi. Se de abeti aso. Genesis 27. Isaac abusuamo. Yankopon apam abusuamo mpo. E bi we koso. Busuani bi enam entabe so. Ne yanko bi entabe so na machire. Esau etiwuram ebre empade abane papa enchai abadi nshirawo na de yakuma Jacob enam busuanu amu apana tabe ase ejini nshira ejini nimunya ejini nkoso tade mo nyina babo no anhranfo okwo wo trewa de bi se wo ni Yesu a wo bre oba bi no na honhom bi so na mo kire wacho. Be very careful what ni pampuntu ofre urade ya sabi one shall cry and find my issue. Okay, I'm a brepa. Genesis 27. Was it Isaac Abakuka? Then a new shop. Eh, Kusukusu. No one will be him. Oh, will be a year. For friend, if I penny in so, the country of said, was it? Was it Saka? Midia? No, was a share. Babakwa. Now, the little Wuda. Nothing fat. Norma, Tienio. Fanoma. Obama. Any will come through a column, a copper, a hanam, a bread. None, a corner, a diamond, Sadia pet. Never brother. Nothing, not the killer is shroud and sandman. You see the point. And the Esau, you were 50 walk for Yandian or for Penam, Usie, walk for Petche, a Chabwa. Never pass the condo woman, never pass the baby, a condo woman. Oye bibi mana nsan no nsirama ma mo twen soro dem mo mpa for ebo a mo twen nsirama unhwe yi on sachi ten ai se kibe wo so koye bibi ma mi ansan no shirawo na mawu enti Esau ede mu mu wo penam abeya duane ama Jacob ama Isaac ya bia diem na Jacob ni Esau ni yakuma akofa ni panyin Esau atade ana oni na maame aye kana no wo ba ti dwai bia na brechie bia kuno abrechio no se busuo no mdi yew se di o mo ba kuno no on bia yi nyanka ma mo di aye connection bi Esau na mu bu potmo o bra e penjiro enso mra fie na no menta e bia na anu abrabotie se di o si sofa The Kamfu Yesuma Waka. Sure. The assembly. Tiha. Was in Rebecca, come on, you shall call food or and Nama Bayama, ni Papa Isaac Yeti. No, I didn't slap. If you hustle, it is on a chino, yes, will be number. And Koya will be out, Dinia. Yedinia Kako, Dinia only feeling up Yamuba, or Muntaman Chan. That this year, I'm not preaching this message to give you evil mind against your neighbor. But I'm a trouble. Because I'm some way and more than volunteer would be an answer with you. But it's true, say I did so. Would you use so mobile? What does I come? Fair. Tell you saw what the cat on the penny. What does it? It is hardly when you're quiet and hold him or the Adriana as a son in Shira. Then I was a working or toffee didn't gather. You have verse 15. Was not Rebecca a fan of a penny Esau and Tabby a fair fat. A one in China, a day, and a shiny Bakuma Jacob. You see, why are connecting there for things? But I want a penny and coupon. One of the better my connection, I couldn't even coupon when you saw the producer. What has a man do? What do I have to do? Paso? What did I do? Paso? What do you have to say? And the idea, then you will not be uncultured. And it will be so much have the air, not the Kubu Bukata. The horse or the mouth, promotions or the mouth, our house or the mouth, who could also warn was another Daniel could you be in church. You could told me 28. Or so you have Bonia, Bearman or about or water, those will be the one. I want to know what he thinks and now who can be our own class. We have cooked in what's wrong, and Jimana, Papa, William. To me, be number 3, and the one and the material were killed. You don't know. So when you Yeshua or Mobo, when you have break application letters, when you have break four, when you have break what, go far now, send out with job, and so last minute, then come on. We are saying the apostle. We are sure the apostle. We are saying, verse 16. Genesis 27, verse 16. Wasn't what a military man? Jerio, what fuck did you appoint in Swatadio? I walk to military camp. Mamma and Papa would hear. So, Yeshua will be a for Tabi, a cum military camp, no, the name Bosson, and our name baby, that's what this sound said. Who could tell Yeshua? About the Yeshua people and Thomas out to me. What do we should have been? Simple. Yeshua, Isaac, you, and will be a Buna Faso. That's American. Yes, I didn't power. Not what you what only PPR. It is only Jacob and I was saying, not the issue attacking the brown one. The moment to make that attempt, yes, you bet so fast. Actually, I was saying, I'm in your dear. They are so severe. Then I may come to you small water. Who put you some brain life. See, every poking chair, a brabomo, you suffer. Dayebu, you suffer. As it you suffer. Who bet bread? You come back to 11:28 or some of my bread. Number some of the next one in a swamo, a Jamamon Swa, Yan Jama money chase you, Coronon Swa, Yan Jama money chase you, one way I come Swa, Yaka said, was a Brian in Chayon or Baba for me. Invitation won't come on up. To the Costa Transit, and a home when you are at all. Would the baby be one Timana? Would the baby be picture and would the baby be handkerchief number? Would the baby or video hold him a bit now? No, come break your cow. You saw the old brother would have come. Wouldn't be a cost with you. There's a bit of a king Capusia. And can be all 5 cup rubber pension or buy a no minute. Or buy a no minute. I didn't try. Wouldn't trust you. Would be whom be them feel and they be said. Mamma saw Sacranca water what? Papa. So what type of near I want to? Sure. Yo, verse 17. What's it? No, they. I call me another. Any pound one. What's this, you know? As I never Jacob and Sa. Well, Rebecca, I you. Rebecca, Jacob and Assem. Anna, every I the super use for Assem. I will for my chunk, Lanafa. Mammy, I call our plan himself on Penasa. Papa, or man be himself on pet a biasem. Introduction and a big problem never coffee with a market on the wall. So I'm more now pet. Dog will biasem pet. And that was a way to as a capine, the way so something as a young phone wouldn't call for enemy. Do be a pet. Because the way they are pet, the way they are penasem, with their whole time, with their own penasem. No, do be a pet. A failure. Jacob would be another call. He's what you have bro. Take no brave factor for Mrefianism. We knew the accounting. What's so yes, we are as I want to believe your neighbors. I would trust you the bar. That's in Kayabra, the secret. Kay the whole of Genesis 27. Over Chasama Mekanasi. He saw a brave woman or brave of Jimon or brave warrior. Mamma warrior, dear house or dear Ukuna. I won't brush here. I won't need you. Ebiana Noah, Ebiana Pa. Says that dear was a wee. Tell it be here tomorrow, right? As a bearman and Martha first. Wouldn't be a cause. So, yes, you don't call your tardy and so. Been to Mrs. Sanwater. So, I sat down to Cribble. Or been to me and found Yama and then Tiwati and working to our cell life. They come to your small water. Joseph Abraham, and to the same family. You have been taken on, and Abraham has said, what was your more? Near Koso. Just free. Talk of the and the young cost of the Tumpo was no trash of it. Yes, so, any David in Tim. David, Subaya, Saul Subanya. The David, a common pepper, or Kumboliat. First Samuel chapter 18. So, when you get David here, the Emma at Jumbo David Abramos, a Bonabasso, so any brain, I go to see David or Peneco. That spirit happens in life. It's Yabrabo. Now, go for fear crown. I saw for be a canna people who's a Liberian Yama. What's up? If we have on fire, was to see our I'm a stretch of the fire to suffer and was in quack. The Joseph, Genesis, the Genesis 37. But let me proof for the amateur. So, wouldn't be used to a wood default. It would default. I won't be able to a shell life. I dare all the other could you people. What a ordinary 100 own castle. A brabomona obre. There's no crown and young castle. When I obre, there's no crown also for castle. Who may be them and I'm hop and I'm watching. Oh, Brennan and a fight up near. Ready home over what? Genesis chapter 37. Joseph at home. Come on, Brethren. You can't make your body good in Tabia. Said the better son of Shabran and Krabia. Because Joseph in the life, no one is so doing that is obey or back as a brain come to see that structure. Papa, oh, and Munyamo, but while your life, your destiny vessel, I'm telling you, as somebody can try and correct fact now on to what. In Casawa Abuche, the way you year, the man went to a free, wouldn't be used to as a support, which is KGB. I come back home. I say that twice or so, sell life. Genesis 37. I want to show one when I'm watching. Genesis 37. The proof for the natural. What would you mean if you're here? If we are an offer, I want money. I want money. Ha, I remember Mamma Kaku, send you how can be a future. I want you got fish sex. That 10. Echo was a never more than a woman. You be Christians. Never more than a woman. No, mammy, no papa. Nipabia and the honam. No, bra, and no sister. Nipabia and the honam. No, honam, ni moja and the honam. Think what you be announced the business of Kaise or Nayo, a classic from a deep for being classic for papa. I did also take a home. Oh, come on them. Men come at you now, home and shall us. Christo did be I don't more than a name. I can't go before you swap. Oh, John chapter 18, there's one down. No Peter says I can shout back once more. Yes, you say, hey! Kristo ni nche sekai enka se we na ye oju ko twene so sekai fa sekai ni hwe de hwe yo che sekai no obewu ba de Yesu fa the kamfo na so ye we pene kunu no o fa na so na atwa o di tia o da se ba kana so le da Kristo fo bi se de kamfo mu di pa bi etan obonu bi obom wo ko bompa ya obompa se ma me echa ana ma me akosi a o de ya akam obenya nka yare bi mmo no o mobo wudi mo ho ma ne no ha Matthew chapter 9 a Kristo 14 so dem a pra ka se mo mpa ye ntia bo nsaba na se ye tanfo bo nsam ko First Peter ye tanfo bo nsam ye bompa ye tia no na afi ye mo mpa ye ntia ye tanfo na fe nipa bi a waye ne bone ana o na si na komum wo bo sha na wo James chapter 3 verse 14 was in the same morning and the man so tree ma komum a and the bu ni ato dia no kore no sai den sai free Nyankopon na ye fom no okara ene awomo ne de so wo bi ho dwem bone an wo ho se ne ko deeper line the co Pentecost the co assemblies the co hwan e wo e ye bayi obi bi o no ko ho dwem bone ko James 3 verse 14 be church abayi be very careful what wo bompa ya heye no ayi obi ho dwem bone am bompa ya nchan enye wo tanko ni nipa ko so wo tanko bo nsam the Bible says nyebo ni moja ne honam na enya you are not wrestling against flesh and blood kan tanko na ko twese ka o ma so wonim de wo wani afira ke Matthew chapter 9 amen chere wade bi ke be fa titi no so hoko wo se na wo fira bi yemu che wo de emum ebia ahomone e won so ebrem be Yesu obi na ne bi sunsun wo be so sie ne yima wo de obi ahomone won so waye mum ebre Yesu ke be fa titi wo se de o tu ahomone no emum no kasa wa wo se Jesus wan ko chi emum no so sekai wan ko twene so abaawo wa takere ho no tu ahomone no enti ma me ai papa wo tue me ja ahomone bi wa buhiem ana se ha obabi ana ha obi a eje bi fa bi bia ne takere no ya takere ahomone no tu no e bi pa ne nyan fa ho bi ya so fo kurasifo bi a me dadawo bi chenko fo so sekai oh brother se what time wo ya me bronze wo ya bayifo nti na honhom owu wo twese ka kum ni pa no akum honhom wo di tsa honhom owu tira me sraw se ma wadi bio ya sami the Genesis 37 Rabbi Genesis 37 okay the verse 31 to 34 Joseph na tade na ni anu masasa ekum mrechi eguso e dia bomojam aponchi moja wo de dia be kire busuafo se bonhwe nipa na da so so obe kese na obe pega busia na wona be kese no na wiye ni that means abo fa ho die na bia kwase sa sebre o na me kanfu Yesu ma wato so be tira sakra wadwene a the time man be twa amonya fa ho aya so fu bi o aye Yesu na nkasa no o yiu because Bible says fagu obi adi ho e bobo Kristo Yesu enti wonni for sunsun nti obo de sadere wetu wenye yi obe for atade akọ enye aduma obe fere wusunsun enko obe fa hankati fa enye aduma obe fa picture enye aduma wo de ebi obe fa bi enye aduma that is you are free ye ka oji aya na bi ni munisa akodina so dem a ye bo deliverance so baba na ubu fa so obi nisa oji no e be kira oji Colossians awurade hu afofo no bo wat e bi eni afia papa ha Genesis chapter 37 verse 31 was it on for Joseph atade no na wokum opapo bi abrechie be mebi na ode atade no e ko modwa mu no osoma wode batakari no ebre wo maja e be ka se yei ana yehunu hwe se oba na atade ni ana verse 33 was it on share no o ka se eye me ba no atade a was aboa boni bi awe no ampa watiti Joseph ni that means what the same bro Yesu ne Joseph ti ase adwuma na akọ wo se okọ interview wa pass you so next time okọ yesterday bi ya he wa ya fa fofo wo ya mfa ho ye ma bi afa wo check yi woni mo ne ma firo be very careful and be asem na ho kwa ya sama ya tani yo be very careful wo ba yesu mu a wo se wo jia ba ya obi ye bo bi a enyawo ye ni ye ha do ye me bon pare wa Colossians chapter 2 verse 10. Jesus is the highest of the principalities and powers on the head. Do consult na with the problem. So what the new deliverance. Colossians. The new deliverance on this side. Waka sarana hro baba ye bompa na wo twa henu tie. So trashing mental times. Now that's a tempona. We are audio. We trashing million times. Now that's it will make us anymore. You are not free from demonic dungeon. We are spirit of Jezebel that will control. Maybe I can. Because 2 Kings chapter 9, verse 22 because it's 31. When you know why you're saying, the man name was said, the chiwa be a near man. Would me more. I quite this cemetery you know about which a moon or tree. Or Banfa Bema, dear. He told me 22:5. Na wona wo yesa na we nyina no eya ruade nyankopon chiwade na wo san ba di se metie bi olu ba ko nche mo nwotwe a wo se chiwade e fo so nko he tu de sesa hye le prese o be ko he no ati ba ko ti yesu o ye ka sam tire ni pa no mu si di abo wo da da no be duro e na bi so obi aji mu akan ba de judge ne be ba ti de akan ya kan yo ti bu fo no be ba wo do obi akan ti abe brem se de ni ma ke Colossians chapter 1 verse 13. True deliverance, true freedom. Check. Colossians 4 eti bako. Ti asemi Bible rule bi abiem. Me pen na da. Me petro. The default truth will be abana. Ebura mu nsuo, ana hwan mu nsuo, ana de mu nsuo, ana bajiwe, be yemfa we nsrawo. Ye fetch. John chapter 5. Bema na stroke watching in said you are saying what. Yes, you buy it. What can stroke be once? What can a good abuse be once? Was a sorry for a coffee. Sabina Buddha no. Yes, one time two. Ophobia bed did for Catholic penny. The Colossians chapter 1, verse 13. Of the true freedom. Was it? Now I am. Why ye? You were ye? As you soon to me, I said. Abane doba ahidiem omumu ani enya ogia ani boni fafiri no yesu mu tina Paul say obi a o Kristo yesu mu na fabuo na ho man oni fo papa o ka se ba kana se e very simple for chase ana kodosi fo man so che o brain say yesu mu o na tonya ba mu nye Muhammad mu nye comfort am mu yesu mu ani enya ogia ne de ba mu any conscience now. And deliverance prayer, hey, Baba, or say, or dear, any bonnet free. She say, yes, you want to chow. When you buy you so you slam. So, who suku so pancho, not the one chow we are. That's the true freedom. And you woman was sick. I feel one now, now. We are free. Ha! A ruddy. A woolly probable. Let me find your trust here. Me do be see how me kana tia me na me kan kwachi obanya safo ye kudu bani en kana so afegu obi ani ho ba bo Kristo Yesu ti so obi Kristo mu a o ye kama tumi bi antimi no awon ne ntimi challenge no Nyankopon bu no ben Yesu bu no ben enti Farisi fo asesa abo edi ko bu o pa wo bo jaman no so no abra wo ba Yesu nchan bu no no wasese Yesu fa nchan no Farisi fo abo no masesa no e wo John chapter 8 enti nka oba ne da oba ne free obi ne ja obo buobu ho e ma Yesu bu sa se nti obi amu fo oba ne Yesu obi amu fo o se ne me so I will never judge you. You are not guilty, you are free, you are innocent. Go and sin no more. Come for your body be able e your body nti na no masesa bo baba ko pe e di be siwo kun be be post dom kanum na stroke wa so sis be be pushim e fe wo da wo timi sore be be pu kom e fe no kom Chaka yare wo ha wo mfe wo ti do kase na hwan atawfo bo no be bu bo ko bra Yesu ncha wate Yesu tell now we can talk. To la kuma nyinamu ya hanka ne gyae ne gya bone ne ye. Se gyina sɛ na me nkɔ bone hu bi mu ate. Koko to gani sɛ wadi Yesu hu mmɔbɔ awurade bone we uko Romans chapter 10 verse 9 and 10 o se akoma na obi gidi kɔtene ni mu na no na ɔde pai mu ka ɛkɔ nkwagye mu. Nti wodi akoma te sɛ ma me ka adie mu wodi wa no fa ɔno pai mu ka bone a wayɛ na de akɔ nkwagye mu. Wo ka sɛ Yesu a Yesu ti wi a there is no condemnation. Obi bo obi anya adwuma awurade akyew na tumi bi antimi nwakyew Yesu bɛbɔ wo ban ba bia wo ko bia wo sɛ me no wo ho enne nyina de kosi wi ase wi ya awurade bɛkɔ so akorawo wo ma honhomo ne nya wo so tumi obɛkɔ so ahyɛ wo kra adem awurade hyira wo sɛ na bra Yesu nkyɛn no obɛgye wo nkwa ame no mo mpae awurade bi pompae de wase do yi mu awurade be so ade papa wo di papa awurade ade papa wo di papa be hyira wo ya tamfu bi na ya sa fie ni pani Bisno Yesu kani pa fu wato no mo bra won kyane fo mbo ne kyew no mo nkoye bon ne bi wade bi okira bia sawo se wade obi ankoye bon ne da no be ko so mo kura bi e nya atwum ni pa ni so no bi na mo kokom ya bon tin nyina no ni pa no be somo no ankoye bon ne bi no wache no amani fa hodi me de waso so utie me o Yesu di mu nti amen.
Asole.